Let's get that box open. Position the white box so you are facing the label with the QR code and it is in an upright position. We use 3-inch clear tape. Locate the tape that runs horizontally from side to side around the box. You need to remove it to access the seam that is underneath. Using a knife or scissors, cut the tape like this and remove it gently so it comes off in the fewest number of pieces. If your box was shipped, there will be vertical pieces of tape you need to cut as well. If the seam is just 2 inches from the top, you are removing only a lid and can take it off now. If the seam is 10 inches or more from the top box has contents and you need to remove it with a little more care. You'll remove items from the box one by one. The green juice bags should be unpacked into your freezer. The ice bags are designed to melt and they may be frozen or largely liquid depending on transit time. Regardless, they are completely non-toxic and should be placed in your sink and given a small cut to allow them to drain. Discard them when they are empty. The white boxes are type 6 and 100% recyclable at many municipal recycling facilities. They are also very good coolers and many customers use them until they are worn out. If you picked your juice up at the farm, bring the box with you next time and we will refill it at the door.